Looking for a powerful graphics card that won't overwhelm your PC build? The MSI GeForce RTX 3070 LHR delivers just that, a compact yet mighty GPU that balances performance and size. Featuring an 8GB GDDR6 memory and a 256-bit memory interface, this card handles modern games with ease while fitting comfortably in tighter cases. After waiting for prices to normalize, I finally grabbed this MSI 3070. Unlike other models that stretch nearly a foot long, this card is shorter and thicker, making it a perfect fit for my existing rig without forcing me to buy a new case or upgrade my RAM just to accommodate cooling. That's a real win for anyone wanting a hassle-free upgrade. What really impressed me was the dual fan design. My previous MSI 1070 had a similar setup and proved rock solid over the years, handling high settings in newer games without breaking a sweat. This 3070 follows that tradition, delivering smooth gameplay and reliable performance even under pressure. Temperature management can be a concern with powerful GPUs, and this card does run a bit hot, hitting around 84 to 86 degrees Celsius in my setup. But it's nothing a quick tweak can't fix. Using MSI Afterburner, I adjusted the fan priority from power to temperature, which keeps the card cooler without sacrificing clock speeds. Even with those temperature adjustments, the MSI 3070 still boosts higher than a standard RTX 3070, giving you extra performance headroom. That means better frame rates and smoother gameplay during those intense gaming sessions you want to enjoy without interruptions. With DisplayPort 1, 4A and HDMI 2.1 outputs, this card supports multiple monitors and high refresh rates, perfect for immersive gaming or creative work. Whether you're streaming, editing, or diving into the latest AAA titles, the MSI 3070 covers your needs with solid reliability. If you've been holding off on upgrading because of size or cost, this MSI GeForce RTX 3070 LHR is worth a look. It fits neatly into most builds and delivers impressive power without the bulk or price tag of some competitors. Try it when you're ready to elevate your gaming setup without the extra hassle. Ready to make the switch? The MSI GeForce RTX 3070 LHR offers a balanced blend of performance, size, and temperature control that serious gamers will appreciate. It's a smart upgrade that keeps your rig lean and your gameplay sharp.